Hello everyone, my name is Fox and today I'm going to be showing you on an operation on MCD. So first I'm going to put my ball and I'm going to mark ball and then let's I have into this. Or yeah. If this goes down here, it's come for down. If I get another here, it's if it breaks through, I'm gonna die. Okay. Now we have to see if it goes up. Um, Disabled my pushes and putting this down here because that was my confirmation. This was my confirmation, but I'm gonna put my stop loss here. It's supposed to be down here. That's too far, so I put it here in the middle. So, I'll put my stop loss here. It's because it's under the 200 line, which is the protection, and this was a feint. And I bought here because I bought down here, and it went up here for some reason. And I think it's because the spread buy. So when you buy, it moves that price higher. So right now it's down here, and we're waiting for it to go. Now I'm gonna, and here I forgot to buy with 2, so now I have to go out. But if I should have bought with 2, but I forgot since everything here. So because I was trying to buy, and then it bought up here, so I forgot to buy 2. So I would have bought 2, but it didn't work, so I only bought 1, and I have to go out up here. I would have done trailing stuff and everything else I normally do, but I forgot. Also here it did a feint, then another feint, and it went up. Now I'm gonna put the words so you can see. I'm gonna label it. So I would put that like that. Keep there. And so now I'm gonna label it with the words. And I'll be back, and then I'll explain it in Spanish. Bye for now, and see you in a second. So now that I've labeled everything, I'm gonna show you everything I've done. So first, I got the stop loss, the first one. Then I got break even, push. This is where I entered. Push 1, push 2, push 3, and then this is where I exit. So that's everything in English. I explained it, and now I'm gonna say it in Spanish. Hola a todos, yo soy Proxy y hoy te voy a enseñar una operación de distrita en CD. Primero puse mis 4 fantásticos, después puse el piso y el techo. Empezó aquí y bajó, rebotó, después subió, aquí compré y después hizo el spread buy y compró y dijo de ahí. Después, and the spread buy es como, el spread buy es como una cosa de como yo compré aquí la confirmación y me subió hasta aquí. Entonces después de que compré, subió, push 1, bajó, después subió, hizo una finta aquí, otra finta, y después subió. Después break even, y después saqué todo. De comprar 2 veces y compré una vez solo. Entonces eso es la operación de MCD y ya expliqué todo. Entonces, adiós todos, bye. Hoy también me olvidé decirte ahorita esto de mejor poner tu stop loss abajo de la de 200, es tu protección. Entonces ahora adiós.